This one I didn't write on the board yet. I'm going to have these to make sure that everything we're doing is right. But by the time we are done with this lesson, you're not going to need these anymore. We're going to be
we
done
only
with
have
these
to
things.
do 5.
And in fact, I want you to be done using your fingers to add. We're going to be done using this to add. It's all going to be up here. It's going to be awesome. So here is our learning goal. You ready?
I forgot something.
Oh, hold on. Save it for just 1 minute. All right, let's read this all together. You ready? I can add numbers over 10 in my head. Yeah, which is totally doable.
I found something.
So I'm gonna make some room. What's up, Brandon? What do you think?
This is chicken wants in the rule reveal. Why?
Because we did it. We already did our rule reveal. It is done. All right, so I'm gonna write a problem on the board. How about
8 plus
8 plus 6? Is this gonna be over 10? Do you
10.
think it's gonna be over 10?
Oh, can I show you guys a trick?
I wanna
14.
hear it.
14. No.
Nice, but is that over 10?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, you can just say yes.
Can I show you
I
a
think that's
trick?
over 10. I want to do the trick, but right now I want to get us focused on this
I really
so that
wanna
we
do
can
the
get through
trick
our
on-
lesson. Can you save it for the end? Like try to remember?
I probably won't, but
All right, we'll try.
I'm scared.
All right, so how do we know that the answer to this is going to be bigger than 10?
Because we added them.
Because if you add 8 plus 6, and if you equal it, if you put them together, then it equals.
It's more than 10.
14.
You know it's a big number. Yikes, folks. How many more? Let's see. How many more would we need to add to 8 just to get to 10?
6.
To get to 10?
No.
How many more do we add to 8 just to get to 10?
2.
2, yeah. So 6 is bigger than 2, so we know it's going to be bigger than 10.
14. It's the fourth answer.
It is 14, you're right. What I'm going to show you is how to do this in your head really simply. Ready, Brandon?
Yes.
We know that 8 plus 6 is going to be more than 10, so let's do this. Let's break this 6 up. Oh. No, I'm not going to do a lesson like this. Can you put your glasses on right? Thank you. Yesterday that was a distraction. We're going to take this 6 and we're going to break it up. How many more do we need to get to 10? I forget.
2.
2. We just need 2 more. So 8 plus 2 is 10. We know that.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this.
If you add 2 to, if you add like 2 to 8,
I'm imagining it in my head
6
right
will
now.
be like 5.
You guys know I'm
Let's-
imagining.
It's not quite
me?
5, but if we're breaking 6 up,
8. We need 8.
wait, we're taking 2 away from 6.
I'm actually imagining
What do we
this in my
have
head.
left? If we take 2 away from 6. Nice work, Brandon. That was fast.
I was imagining it in my head.
So we just turned 8 plus 6 into 8 plus 2.
2 plus 4 is 6.
Exactly, 2 plus 4 is 6.
Everybody's shouting.
So we just broke this 6 up into 2 and 4. Roman, if I'm talking, I don't want you to be talking.
Well, you could just look up there. On brains.
I know, but we're not always going to have a calendar to look at or a number line. All right, so 8 plus 2 is 10. What do you think we need to do to get our final answer?
Plus 9.
Check this out.
Plus 4.
8 plus 2 is 10. And yeah, all we have left over is this 4. So let's drop that guy down.
14.
Very nice.
It's
10 plus 4 is 14.
You know how to do that?
So we just took this equation and broke it down by finding the 10. And then taking whatever's left over, our spillover, to find the answer. I'm going to
I'll
show you
guys my
that
trick
on
when
this.
we're done.
Wait, are we done with adding? Wait.
We are not
Your
done
real name
yet.
is John instead of Will?
My full name is Will St. John.
Will
St.
Saint-
John is my last name.
Wait, your last name is.
Longshan.
St.
Longshan.
John.
Longshan.
St. John.
It almost sounded like you were saying like sink.
Like,
I got confused here.
That would be a funny one.
Do you know what my full name is?
I'm not named after no hedgehog. I'm not. I
Okay,
am not.
so my friends, do you remember what we did?
Animals.
All right, ready, Roman?
What?
I want to start speaking, so I want you to be done.
We're listening.
We remember that yesterday we did with 10 frames. We took
14.
some of it and we made it 10.
said that.
We know this is 10 because why?
It's because it's 10 frame.
Yeah, exactly.
And
It's a
it's
full
four.
10 frame. And what's left over?
4.
Perfect.
14.
So we could either write it as 8 plus 6 equals 14, or we could just know that this is 10 plus 4 equals
Or
14.
7 plus 9 equals 14. No, it's
No,
19. It's
7
19.
plus 7 equals 14. But yeah, now that we have these and we're done with this, we can do it in this method. So let's do another one to practice.
No, please don't.
Spider-Man.
Please don't.
Alright, how about, what if we did this?
The bad guy.
Brandon and... What if we did this? What if we flipped it around? Are we going to get the same sum if we
Yes.
flip the numbers?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's do it again. 8 plus what equals 10?
14.
8 plus 14 equals 10?
8 plus 2.
6 plus 8.
8 plus
13.
2.
I'm asking, what do we add
8
to
plus
8 to
2.
get 10?
Wait, 6 plus 8?
2.
We add 2 to get 10 from 8, right? Alright, so let's flip this around. So if we take away 2 from 6, and we know that that makes 10.
We put 8.
What's left from that 6 if we take 2 away to make that 10?
4.
Very nice, Brandon. 4 is left over. So 4 plus 2 plus 8. Alright, let's simplify that. Let's
13.
make
13.
that
14. 13. It's 13. 13, 14.
4 plus
14.
10?
No, 13. 13. 14.
Let's check on this.
You
We can
guys
count
touch
on
my
this.
hair.
Make sure
14.
that that equals what the answer is we get
I
on
just had to
on
take
that.
away 1. 13.
Oh no, let's fix
It's
that.
13. It's 13.
Is this
Uh-huh.
13 or is
This
this
is 14.
It's 14.
What?
So all we're doing is making a 10.
Numbers.
It's a lot of numbers, but it's a lot better than getting these out every time we need to add.
Oh, we are not gonna have a bad time.
So let's
I
try
mean,
another problem.
Because Mama keeps playing around.
What? No.
We're gonna try Roman. Actually, can I scooch these?
Yeah.
Over here?
Scooch more you want. What? No,
All right. Before you give me the answer, what could we do here to make 10? 7 is how
3.
far away from 10?
3.
3.
It's 3. It's definitely 3. Please choose.
All right.
Your answer is 3.
So I'm dropping it down. 7 plus 3 is our 10. Awesome.
Drop it down.
What's left once we take that 3 away from
I'm
5?
guessing 1.
3. 3.
We can check. Let's check on our 10.
No, it's 2 probably.
I'm rich.
I'm looking at the counter.
We have 5. Emma, take away that 2. Or no, that 3. Take away that 3. 1, 2, 3.
You can move.
It's 2.
And what's
I knew
left
it.
is
I knew
2.
it. And people,
So why do you didn't say it?
listen to me.
Roman, so why you didn't say it then?
I cried.
Roman, what's next? What do I do?
I've been caught by the cop.
You gotta pay attention.
You got busted.
You gotta do
Busted.
10 plus.
Okay.
Handcuffs.
So Roman, you gotta actually help me. I took 3 away from 5.
Johnny.
We found out we had 2 left over. What do we do with that 2? Roman, what do we do with that 2?
Why are the girls only? Why are only
Use
I'm
it on
paying
the
attention?
Nice.
Because
Do we
girls
add it?
always pay attention.
It's locked.
You know, girls are most.
20.
What's the
Excuse
answer?
me?
12. 12.
Very nice.
I'm the only
It's
girl
so
in this group, but I'm the
easy.
only one who's paying attention.
I don't know.
You're doing a great job, Emma. Thank you, actually. Thank you very much. Brandon, you're doing a pretty good job. What I need you to do is maybe ignore Roman a little bit, because sometimes he talks to you. I know, and he makes you laugh, and it gets distracting.
I cry randomly to suffer consequences.
I think we probably need one more problem before we move on to the
Do
worksheet.
you know what keeps me from laughing?
Can I have those yellow tiles, please?
You know what I do to keep me from laughing?
Streaming? What?
I need to just go outside and just cross my feet and do that. It calms my body down.
That's awesome.
It's
I
like
like going
girls.
to a park to do that too.
It's
Alright.
different with the boys. The boys need to do this, girls do that.
Do you take yoga or meditation or something?
Yoda.
No.
You take Yoda?
I just go at home and I
Yoga.
calm down, shut down.
Okay, that's awesome.
I wish I could do yoga.
All right,
I wish I
Roman.
could do yoga.
I need you to be paying attention because if you're speaking over Emma, if you're speaking over me, you are not following our number 1 rule, and that's not okay. So the thing, no, Roman, seriously. So what the thing is,
We're not gonna
if we have iPad time and we have that 5 minutes left, I'm gonna let these guys have it. I'm not gonna let you have it because you weren't following along. So either you're gonna bring it together for the last 10 minutes, or I gotta do that and start not letting you have
Can I
iPad.
finish what I was saying?
So let's focus. We just did 7 plus 5. Let's switch it around and make sure it's the exact same. If we flip it around. All right.
I still got it.
What do we do first? How far away is 7 from 10? How can we make it 10?
3. It's 3.
If we
Alright.
put 3.
I'm hearing 3
If
from
we
Emma.
put 3.
I'm hearing 3 from Red.
Rowan, you gotta pay attention. He's not asking that.
Oh, whoops. Wait. I made That's not right. We need to add 7 plus 3. Because that gives us a 10.
And how about we do?
We took that 3
We
away
do
from the
5
5.
plus.
What's
five.
left over?
It's
5.
like 2, so it's just 2 plus 10 equals
2 plus 10.
12.
12.
Can I show you guys my trick before we move on?
What's that?
Can I show you my trick before we move on?
Until we finish.
Okay.
Let's do it. What's your trick, Emma?
Okay, I'm gonna. So if you
I wanna
look
put
at
these
5 plus 7,
Mm-hmm.
Now
so you can put like 1, 2,
Oh, you do touch math.
4, 5.
Wait,
You can do that,
15.
and that's 7.
Yeah,
This
1,
guy
2,
said
3,
that's
4,
not
5. And then we did
Yeah.
the same with the 7 and we would get 12.
Once you get
That's
into
awesome. Touch
bigger
math is
grades,
great.
that's not really how you do it, so.
It's a good way to stop counting on your fingers.